Hey, I hope you're having a good day, and I hope this video makes it a better day because we're going to talk about how you can make lots of money. If you haven't signed up for Jasper yet, that's where you're going to start, but I'm assuming if you clicked on this video, you already have a Jasper account and you're trying to figure out how the heck you're going to pay $100+ a month to use this AI tool. This is where I want you to start is how can I cover my Jasper membership each month? And then from there, the sky's the limit. You can use all of these tips to rinse and repeat, which you know is my favorite thing to do, unless we're talking about laundry, which I don't do. But I'm going to share my screen and show you my Jasper dashboard. Here we go. Perfecto. Okay, so we're going to start with going through the different templates, and I'm going to give you some ideas on how you can make money using these templates. The very first one is the document template, which is pretty much where all the magic is going to happen. So we're not going to talk about that yet. We're actually going to start at the paragraph generator. You can use the paragraph generator for social media posts. You can also use it to help you write emails. So it asks what your paragraph is about. You include the keywords, you choose the tone of voice, and then Jasper is going to spit out some answers for you. So what is your paragraph about? Why you should move to Mexico. Keywords to include expat, Mexico. Let's see how that works. Excited, tone of voice. If you are not on the unlimited plan, you need to pay attention to how many outputs you're getting here. Let's see. Mexico is a land of opportunity for expats. With its rich culture, diverse landscape, and friendly people, it's no wonder so many people are choosing to make the move. These are awesome. These are awesome. Cool. Okay, so you see how the paragraph works, right? Let's go to the next one. AIDA or PAS framework. You can use these and sell an outline to a sales page. Sometimes bloggers don't have the budget to purchase a sales page template, or they don't have the budget to hire a copywriter. So then we're kind of stuck with like hodgepodging our sales pages together, and that's really not the best for conversions, which you probably know if you've been in this situation. So as someone who can use Jasper to make money, you could offer to set up an outline for a sales page, and then the blogger can fill the outline in. You could also take it a step further and combine these frameworks with the document editor and write the sales page yourself for the person you're working for. Number 3 is product descriptions, which, by the way, I don't think I said this. There are 21 ways that I'm going to talk about to make money with Jasper. This list started out as 7 ways. And as I was going, I was like, oh, I can't stop now. Can't stop now. So product description. You can use tools like Allura to find out how you should set up an Etsy listing. I'm not going to go into that here. I have another video with an Allura walkthrough. But you can use tools to learn about the platform you're going to be serving. So say that you're serving Etsy shop owners. They have to have their listings set up a certain way. They have to use tags. They have to do all these things. You can use the product description template to describe their products, and you can sell them just the listings, like the product descriptions, just outright, or you can, again, elevate it, take it a step further, and offer to do their entire Etsy listing for them for a certain price. But you would start with the product description, and then you could use one of the other templates for titles if you needed to. This works for Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, basically anywhere. You can use these product descriptions on sales pages, emails, social. You could use these product descriptions to help a content creator create a content calendar and weave in their products that they're wanting to sell. Number 4, blog post topic ideas. So you can create a content calendar with ideas of blog posts. I used to sell bundles of blog post title ideas for $25. It was 25 blog post ideas for $25. And I guarantee if I listed them today, they would sell again and again and again. Don't think that your ideas are too simple, because they're not. Trust me, they're not. We're going to go to, let's see, number 5, blog post outline. Here you can sell these to virtual assistants, bloggers, content creators. You can outline blog posts for a whole month, a whole year. There's even a video here that shows you how to use the blog post outline template. Number 6 is a creative story. I'm going to skip all these because they're blog posts and they can go with the outline and the topic ideas. But a creative story, you can ghostwrite books for other people, or you can use this to start a book on KDP and sell on Amazon KDP. I will link to a resource below. It's a free resource. There's this blogger. His name's Elias. He blogs at washingtonswealth.com. And I think the link is washingtonswealth.com/KDP. So go check that out. I'll link it below if that's not the right link. But if you want to start on KDP, that's where you want to go. Number 7 is going to be Facebook ads. So you've got Facebook ad headline, you've got Facebook ad primary text. You can use both of these to create Facebook ads, and then you can sell those to content creators on Facebook. Or you can sell them to people who are running Facebook ads but don't want to do the copywriting part. So you can use the paragraph template, the Facebook ad headline, the Facebook ad primary text. You can kind of combine them and create ads for people, because sometimes the person setting up the ads is not the same person that is writing the ads. Don't be afraid to think small to make lots of money. Same thing here with number 8. We've got Google Ads. You've got the headline, description, Google My Business. This is a whole suite of Google templates. And then number 9 is Amazon product descriptions. So you can create bullets. You can create a description, which is a paragraph. You can combine the two. These would be perfect to offer to those who sell on Amazon and don't want to have to worry about the copywriting part of it. Number 10 is photo post captions. So write catchy captions for your Instagram posts. Let's see. What is your post about? Moving to Mexico. Tone of voice. Excited. Ready for a new adventure south of the border. Hashtag adios California. Hashtag hola Mexico. That's actually really cute. It's obnoxious, but it's cute. Como se dice adventure in español? Hashtag vamos. Time to pack up my bags and head south of the border. Hashtag Mexico, here I come. Okay, I really feel like that was definitely Instagram worthy. All of those. I don't do Instagram. You guys know that, but that felt very Instagram-y to me. Did it feel Instagram-y to you? Let me know in the comments. Then I'll know that you listened to my rambling. Okay, next is marketing angles. Number 11. You can use this to help content creators and bloggers find new profitable angles for their business. You can do this in many ways. You could do it in a more hands-off way where they just submitted their information in a form and then you sent it back to them. Or you could do it in a really high-touch way where you're using it as part of your coaching or part of a Zoom, like you meet with them on Zoom, you talk to them about what they want, and then you use this tool, and then you come back to them and say, okay, here are the marketing angles that I came up with. Number 12 is video topic ideas, video script outline, video titles, script hook, an introduction, and a description. An entire suite, again, but this is for YouTube. Vloggers don't usually like to write. That's why they're vloggers and not bloggers. So I feel like you have an entire open market here where you can help people come up with video titles, ideas, scripts, hooks, introductions, descriptions, all the things. It's important that you're not trying to be everything to everyone. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I can do this and I can do this and I can do this. But there's a reason that the phrase jack of all trades, master of none is a thing. So start by just honing in on one thing. Hone in on YouTube or Facebook or Google or whatever it is you like doing and you know a little bit about. Learn a little bit more. learn a bit more, and then you can offer these services to other creators. Number 13 is a review responder, which is actually super helpful for businesses. When they get reviews on Yelp, Facebook, Trustpilot, wherever they're getting reviews, they need to respond to them. So you could create some templates for each industry. Say that it's the restaurant industry, or say that it's a travel agent industry, whatever it is. Think of different industries that you could break into, and you could create completely passively. You could create a bundle of review responses, and they're like templates. So the company can copy and paste and then fill in the details so it doesn't look like a copy and paste. Those really crappy responses that look like a copy and paste? Like, we don't want those. We want the ones that are seeming more authentic and more engaged. So you can sell the templates so the business owners can spend their time doing more important things, but you can make them one time and sell them over and over and over again. Let's see. Number 14, email subject lines. This is something a lot of bloggers struggle with, myself included. So if there was a custom service where I could tell you what I offered and what my message was, and then you could create 52 email subject lines based on my blog posts or something like that, then that would be extremely valuable. You can help content creators create a content strategy based around their email as well. Too many bloggers are relying on social media, and they're at the whim of algorithm updates. So I'm trying to teach people to get over to email. There's a lot of us trying to teach people to get over to email. This could be the push they needed. They think that they can't do email, but hey, I will create all of the email titles you need for the whole year based on your strategy. Number 15, SEO services. Now, I do know that some of you use Surfer in addition to Jasper. I do not. I use Rank IQ or Key Search, but you can use these SEO blog post title and meta descriptions, homepage title and meta descriptions, product page, services page. You can use this entire suite of templates right here to offer content strategies, all the way from like thinking small, just blog titles and meta descriptions, right? That's thinking small, but thinking big, you can expand all the way to writing the full blog post for them and make sure that it's SEO'd. Number 16, we're going to skip a few and go to real estate listings. Now, it's very important, just like with all these other templates, that you actually know what the hell you're talking about before you go and offer these services. I'm not telling you that if you know absolutely zilch about real estate that you should go offer real estate listings, because that's not true. Jasper doesn't know about real estate. You have to be the one to put the information in. So when Jasper spits out some descriptions of a house, then you need to make sure that you understand the rules and regulations where you are working to make sure that it's legitimate. You can't blame it on Jasper if it's wrong. So this is an example here. Let's see, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, ocean front view, big backyard. Let's see what Jasper comes up with. This wonderful oceanfront home offers stunning views of the waves and coastline. Relax on the big back porch and watch the dolphins play in the surf. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this home is perfect for a family vacation. The big backyard is great for kids to run around and play, and there's even a basketball hoop for some friendly competition. Don't miss your chance to own this beachfront paradise. This is a perfect example of why you need to know what the hell you're talking about, because last time I checked, I don't know for sure, but last time I checked, you're not allowed to mention like kids and stuff in those types of listings. So just keep in mind, you can't just come in here and grab a template and go at it willy-nilly. You've got to do your due diligence. You've got to learn what you need to know to deliver the service in a good way. Okay. Next one is 17, Pinterest. So Pinterest pin titles and descriptions. You can sell those for a couple bucks a piece. They're easy to do even without a template. So with a template, way, way easier. Number 19, no, oops, I skipped it. Number 18, press release title and intro. You can combine this with boss mode to help write an entire press release. I think that would be the best way to use this template. Number 19, engaging questions. You can use this for social media. People who post on social media for business, myself included, always have to come up with engaging questions to ask, or their audience is just going to ignore them. Number 20, business or product name. Right here. Generate a winning name for your business or product. This is very useful, especially for someone like me. I named a product this week and I have no idea what I was thinking because it doesn't make any sense. It's hard to remember. People aren't going to know how to spell it. It's just like overall a terrible name, but I already put it out there. So it is what it is, right? We'll see how it goes. I'll update you guys on that. But you can offer to brainstorm different winning names of products or businesses. Someone's like, hey, I want to start my makeup business where I'm going to go do people's makeup. Okay, well, what's your name? What do you like? Ask them the usual questions. Maybe have them fill out a form to make it more passive. And then they fill out the form. They pay, $25, and you email them back 20 ideas to name their business. And last but not least, number 21, poll questions and multiple choice answers. I use polls in my Facebook group all the time. Polls are a wonderful way to keep your audience engaged and to find out what they need from you. So that is number 21. Remember, this is not to go in and just like grab something and go tell people, oh, I'm an expert at this. It's to get you started. You've got to do the other research to figure out, okay, if I'm going to offer, say that you're going to offer the real estate listings, for example, then you need to figure out, okay, I'm doing this in Arizona. The rules for real estate listings in Arizona are A, B, C, X, Y, Z, whatever. And you're going to read up, you're going to learn, and then you can offer it as a service. Remember, you're starting with paying for your Jasper membership, but the sky's the limit, you guys. You can make so much money with this tool. And that's not even mentioning writing blog posts and writing PLR for people. I have a PLR shop, and there are probably 15 to 20 people that I personally know or have helped set up a PLR shop in the past few months. So people need blog posts written, and you can use Jasper to write them all day long. Just make sure you're doing it the right way. Do not just go in and Control J, Control J, Control J. Go in and do some research, use the outline templates, learn something about SEO, and then offer a service. I wish you the best of luck. I want you to drop a comment below and let me know which template you're most excited to use.